Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on a project that one of my viewers recommended, and that is these push handles for a table saw to keep my hand away from the blade and be more safe while I'm using it. I don't want anybody to follow my example and not use push handles or push sticks and end up losing a finger or getting hurt. So I'm going to try to make this my habit and use these more often and show other people how to use the saw correctly. So thanks for recommending that, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make this. They're really simple, just about anybody can make them. So stick around to see how I do it. Alright, so to start, I have a piece of plywood here that is just a scrap that I would have thrown away, but this makes good use of scrap wood that is just wasted in your shop. And I'm just going to sketch this out by hand and then cut it out with a jigsaw. Now that I have the shape cut out, I'm going to take it over to my sander and sand down the corners so that it's more comfortable to hold in my hand. My belt sander couldn't fit in all the tight spaces on this handle, so I'm going to use my Dremel with a sander attachment on it and smooth off the corners that the sander could not reach. Alright, so for the push sticks that I'm making, I'm going to use a scrap piece of oak that I have left over from a job that I did. And I'm going to be drawing this up by hand, cutting it out, and I'll sand that down as well so that it's easier to hold on to and feels better in my hand. Alright, now that all three of these handles are done, they're cut out, sanded, they're ready to go. I'm just going to drill a hole through all three of these. This will allow me to hang it right on the side of my table saw, and that way they're always within reach and I don't have to go out of my way to grab these handles when I'm making a small cut on the table saw. Okay, so I'll show you guys how these work. I'm really happy with them. It keeps my hand far away from the blade. I'll be using the handle for larger cuts. You don't want to end up cutting into the handle with the blade. If you do, it's not the end of the world. You just make another one, but I don't want to have to make another one for a little while. And then I'll use the push sticks on the side to push it up against the fence and keep it from coming away. Then you could also use the two push sticks together on smaller cuts where the handle will not fit in without getting cut by the blade. And these are really handy. I've cut a notch on one so that I can get on top and behind the board to be able to push it through, and then the other one's mainly just to hold it down and into the fence. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. These were really simple to make. It's an easy project, but really they are a necessity for a shop. I'm going to go ahead and put the hook on the side of my table saw so I can hang those up. But I really appreciate the feedback, and if you guys have any other feedback for me, let me know what you guys think of my videos, how I could improve, and maybe some projects you would like to see on my channel in the future. Alright guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you would like notifications whenever I upload new videos, click on that bell icon. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and help me out. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.